म्हणजे मला पयलीं हांव सगळ्या स्टाफाचें अभिनंदन करता. पेडण्यान म्हणटा ती सेकंड रेट आसा जे रेडीन आमी सप्लायराक अरेस्ट करूंक शकले. ताचें श्रेय सगळे म्हणटा म्हाज्या स्टाफाक वता. आमकां रिलायबल इन्फॉर्मेशन आयिल्लें, स्पेसिफीक इन्फॉर्मेशन, वी डेवलप दॅट इन्फॉर्मेशन. That information was conveyed to DSP, senior officers, and as per their guidance and leadership, our SP North, Nitin Walson sir, SDPO Pernem, Rajesh Kumar sir, uh, team consisting of PSI Harish Vaingankar, Vivek Alankar, PSI LPSI Sumira Desai, staff Vasu, Krishna, other staff. The team was formed, and after forming the team, they attempted every efforts to conduct the raid, and that raid conducted in Arambol, and we could nab one person by name Chandrabushan Duve in possession of narcotic drugs that called cheras. With the detailed interrogation with him, he has told that he has got the drugs from one person by name Raju Singh from Madhya Pradesh. Accordingly, our staff consisting of PSI Harish Vaingankar, Vivek Alankar tried their best, and in their effort, they managed to nab that person Raju, and we both person has been arrested now and placed in custody.
कसलो जो ड्रग कसलो यो
Cheras,
चरस कितलो आहा
around 940 grams, so it will be around 9,40,000. Also appeal before all public of my pen and jurisdiction that whenever they keep tenant, they should make the verification, not for the sake of sending the forms to the police station, but they should always keep track on their tenant, what they are doing, where they are going, what type of work they are doing, where they are engaged in work service. Because see, sometimes it happens on they are taking the rented rooms, they are indulged in such type of activities, and police verifications records come into the always what happens. It is genuineness of the case after looking at. So it is better whenever you keep the tenant, you should keep a track. Owner should keep a track on the each person whom he has rented the premises. And I appeal also to all public to help police if they come across any such thing occurring in their premises. They are free to call on 112 number so that police can give them proper help immediately.